from that side that came up. Are they there?
Hello?
Do you have...
Hello, what's your name? Hello, what's your name?
Stick to that side.
That's your mighty.
Okay.
And we're going to be supported by everybody from this pillar here. All the way down there. You're all mighty, okay? Give me a round of applause. Give me a round of applause for my team here.
For Gretel.
This is wrong.
You want to be a mighty, don't you? Yes? Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let's split it down right here, okay? From you onwards, alright? Give these guys a fair chance. From here on, I'm watching you. Don't be my big, okay? I'm watching you. From here on, you're in that line. All of you are Team James. Who's the Team James? And who's the Team Russ? You can't get those guys. We got to split these guys to you. Who's the Team Russ? Alright, fine. Just because you're a guest in our country, I'll let you have it. I'll let you steal our applause. That's fine. You can take that, but I'm going to beat you again. Like I beat you at 1:30 and 3:30.
We're not going to be beaten this time, are we? Who's on our side?
You can scream all the time, but we're going to win, right? Whoa. Wow. Subscriber cannot be reached. Okay, let's do this, Ross. Okay, enough of the trash talking. Give me that mic. Okay, so I'm going to explain it very simply. It's a relay, right? What you have to do is, you're going to be timed as a team, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to grab this shirt off this lovely lady, going to take her shirt, the one in her hand, not this, okay? I'm watching this shirt. Just grab it from her. You're going to start here. You're going to run to her. You're going to grab this shirt. You're going to put it on top of your shirt. You're going to run to that car. As soon as you're buckled in, he takes off. He's going to do 2 time laps. Then he's going to stop. When he stops, he gets out and he gives the shirt to you. Put the shirt on top. If you wear Arizona today, you put Arizona. Okay. You wear the shirt. And then you do the same thing. Jump in the car, and then he continues, and when he stops, the time stops. Lowest time wins. Same thing for you guys, okay?